We finally got it out of the barn! What up, guys? Welcome back to the DMV channel. I'm Jeff Dixon. Isaiah's got you on the camera. And today we are prepping the LS Miata for roll cage. Woo! All right, guys. Today we are going to get this all cleaned up and painted. We don't have a whole lot to do to fix anyway. Like, there's no rust or anything that goes through the floor. There's just a little bit. Man, I don't even know if that's surface rust. It's just stained. But anyway, we're going to get this all cleaned up and painted. That way, when we put a roll cage in it, we're not working around the roll cage to paint this. We'll paint this now, put the roll cage in, touch up any stuff we screwed up, and then tape it off and paint the roll cage. So that's the goal. Let's get to it. All right. Sorry about that. Got some of the surface rust, not much, ground out. Make sure that it's not any deeper than surface rust. Now we just need to get this all cleaned up, paint it. We got it fairly cleaned up, vacuumed up. We wiped it down with mineral spirits. We decided to go with the hammered paint to kind of cover up some of the blemishes and, you know, rattle. And here we go. So let's paint it. All right, it is day 2. We ran to Walmart, got some more paint. Got 2 colors here. Don't like either one of them. Got the silver, don't like it. Got that hammer tone gray. I like it, but the hammer tone's not consistent at all. So I think we're just gonna go with flat gray, that Nardo gray that everybody loves right now. So right now we're gonna get this all cleaned up and get it ready for paint.
Put your hands together.
Okay, so Isaiah and I decided there are too many nooks and crannies, and we're just going to try to power wash it. I think that would be easier, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too much. It's like the engine bay all over again, and I always wish we would have power washed that. So our power washer is broke, so we're going to try to get it going, get wheels and tires on the car. That's pretty exciting. Roll it out and do some power washing. Yeah! Well, we were getting ready to get it off the jack stands to roll it out, and I noticed that our wheels and tires are going to hit our spring perch up here. And these are supposed to be hub centric to a Miata, but it looks like they're for a Honda or something. They don't go on there. So I'm gonna take my carbide bird bit. I know it's kind of ghetto, but we're gonna burr that out a little bit and see if we can get that on there so we can get this thing rolled out and power washed. Oh yeah, safety third. All right, we got the wheels and tires on. Now it's time to get a steering column in this thing. And to do that, we're not gonna reuse this dash. I do want the VIN number. But we're gonna just strip this thing and use the bar in it to hold the steering column. So that's what we're doing. Well, it looks pretty good. That's kind of our first ride in it. We got some issues. It sits up like a monster truck, so we'll have to work that out. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. So I've got 700-pound springs in the front, 400 in the rear, which I know is a little stiff and a little tracky. We may have to go to a soft, I don't know what we're gonna do. But we're gonna power wash it now and probably not have time to paint it. But anyway. Alright guys, that's it. We've got a power wash. Turned out pretty good. We haven't got it painted yet, but dinner bell's been rung. We gotta go eat. We'll see you next week. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week.